Hello friends, welcome to our channel Homoeopathy the Healing Power. Friends, in this video we are going to study homeopathic medicine Equisetum. Friends, this medicine Equisetum is most commonly indicated for all diseases of kidneys, for all urinary troubles, and especially this medicine is used for nocturnal enuresis, that is nothing but for bedwetting in children. Friends, this is a very short medicine having very limited symptoms, but all these symptoms are keynote of this medicine. So friends, let's start a detailed study on Equisetum. But before that, if you are new to our channel or if you have not subscribed our channel till now, then subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and select option all so that you will be get notified whenever a new video is uploaded from Homoeopathy the Healing Power. Like this video and share this video. So let's get started. Equisetum is an evergreen herb which is leafless and flowerless and rarely branched. It have a jointed stem-like structure and they are found in wet places, especially in wet damp places. Equisetum grows in damp soils of Europe and North America. The common name of this medicine is scoring rush and horse tail. It belongs to the family Equisetaceae. The main action of this medicine is seen on genitourinary system, where it specially acts on bladder and on right kidney. Equisetum is principally used for enuresis, for nocturnal enuresis, that is bedwetting, for gonorrhea, for gleat, hematuria, gravel and for dropsy. The most important symptom of this medicine Equisetum is that there is a constant desire to urinate with severe or dull type of pain present in bladder. Now this constant desire and pain does not relieves even after passing the urine. This is the most important symptom of this medicine, which is very useful for prescription. There is frequent and intolerable urging to urinate with severe pain. Now this severe pain is generally seen at close of urination, that means at the end of urination. This is also one of the important symptom of this medicine. Patient passes large quantity of clear watery urine, but again without any relief. During urination also, patient suffers from pain in the urethra region. Now these pains are of sharp cutting and burning type in nature. The most important part of this medicine is that all of the symptoms which we have discussed earlier, like urging to urinate, pain in bladder, pain in urethra, all these symptoms are not even relieved after passing the urine. As this medicine has its special action on right kidney, deep pain is felt by patient in the region of right kidney. Now this pain extends to lower abdomen with urgent desire to urinate. This is also the keynote of this medicine. Whatever may be the disease condition related to kidneys, urinary troubles or related to bladder, previously discussed symptoms are present, then this medicine can be given and it acts wonderfully on patients. Friends, there is also one of the clinical condition where this medicine is prescribed frequently, and that is in nocturnal enuresis, that means in bedwetting in children. Equisetum is indicated in children with incontinence of urine, where children passes urine in sleep at night. At the same time, children also suffers from dreams and nightmares when passing the urine. Equisetum is also indicated in albuminuria, where there is lot of mucus present in urine. Friends, there is yet another striking feature of this medicine, and that is Equisetum can be prescribed for paralysis of bladder, especially in old women, where patient passes involuntary stool and urine. Friends, there is also again one keynote of this medicine. Equisetum can be prescribed for retention of urine and for dysuria occurring during pregnancy and after childbirth. Here also Equisetum does wonders. All these above complaints gets aggravated from right side, from movement, pressure, touch, or from sitting down, and all these complaints are ameliorated in afternoon and from lying down. Relation with other medicine, Equisetum can be compared with apis and cantharids for its urinary troubles. Friends, this is a detailed video on a very short medicine, Equisetum. We have collected almost all keynotes and important symptoms useful for prescription. Please leave your valuable feedback in the comments section given below. Like this video, share this video, subscribe the channel. Meet you soon. Thank you for watching.